Should we call Santa?
Yeah!
Okay. Right. Let Bubby turn.
Okay.
Good job. Oh.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. From your elf pal Clementine. Oh, hello, who's there?
Olivia and Declan.
It's only a week till Christmas Eve. Santa wants to know, what is something nice you did today?
What?
What did you do nice today? Did you do something nice for somebody?
We did nice playing and being gentle, and we did everything we like.
I love that you did that. Santa will too. He knows you're a good kid and you're doing your best. Merry Christmas.
He's a piano player!
Pretty quick. That was a quick one.
Let's do piano on a
No, we're gonna do Daddy Eats Dinner.
Say bye-bye, Bub.